yung yung theme ng movie is something that is familiar to us already. Like yung may mga pumupuntang pag broken hearted, etc. Ganyan. But ano yung meron sa Broken Hearts Trip na talagang you can single out na malayong-malayo kami sa mga movies na napanood namin similar to this theme?
Wala daw dun si Antoy Ranay. Ayun. Isa yun. Pangalawa, parang ito yung pinakaunang reality traveling show within a film. So, that alone, yun hindi ko pa napapanood yun. Limang contestants, member of the community, na ginather ng TV show, ng reality show sa film, na pinapunta sila sa isang audition, nakapasok, and they all travel together sa different locations sa bansa. So, ayun, medyo iba yun, I think. Hindi na bago na lahat LGBT, it's an LGBT story. I don't want to call it an LGBT story, pero kasi it's a story about human feelings. It involves real emotions. So, as per any other films naman that deals with a broken heart, we don't call it a straight film. So, it's a film about traveling, healing, and about having fun. And makikita rito yung not extensively, pero yung nangyayari within a reality show sa pelikula. So, and then doon din kami humugot ng konting humor, I guess, dun sa pelikula.
And direct, paano po napili yung mga places na pupuntahan? Ano yung naging consideration?
Lahat ng mga places na pinuntahan ng mga characters has something to do with what they're going through. Like sa Kawasan Falls, it's jumping off a waterfall. Unfortunately, yung Kawasan Falls, it's not the same Kawasan Falls anymore. When we first visited it in 2018, yung kami nila Lex Bonife, kasi this was supposed to be done in 2018, hindi lang natuloy. Unfortunately, yung falls ng Kawasan Falls, nasira siya ng bagyo mo din. So ngayon, bumalik kami sa Kawasan Falls this year. Hindi na siya, it's a different Kawasan Falls na. Iba na yung itsura niya. At pinagpawali na kami dun sa bandang Ilaya to shoot. We were only allowed to shoot sa first 3 stages ng fall. So ayan, lahat ng location, kinonsider namin kung ano yung part sa script na pinagdadaanan ng bawat character. So sa bawat location na yon, jumping off of waterfall, it's about letting go. Lahat, parang gano'n.
Okay, thank you.